Hello. Today we will see about 5th class EVS Tree of Learning Blueprint Educational Series. Today we will see the lesson Know Your Planet, about our planet. Here we going to see. You can see here. There are the pictures of globes. In globes there are some lines are there. In these lines, globes, there are the lines. He asked her father why if they were presented on the earth's surface, really the lines are there on the earth's surface. He asked his father. His father said, no, there are no real lines are there on the earth's surface. There are only the imaginary lines which will help us to locate the place. Earth is a huge planet. Earth is a huge planet, big planet. Humans have developed different ways to study over the years. That's why what happened, human beings are introduced many new ways to study about the earth, new planets, because it is a big huge planet. We have to know about the earth. So today we will see what we know about the earth. In ancient times, what happened in the ancient times? Scientists believe that the earth will be very flat. Okay, like chapati or roti, the earth will be very flat. But later they proved that earth is in a round shape. The earth is in like this. The earth will be in the round shape. And in the both side of the earth, where my fingers are there, my index finger and my thumb finger, these sides are literally pressed. These two sides are called North Pole and this is called South Pole. Okay, now we will see. Earth is also called as a blue planet. You can see in this picture, Earth is looking mostly blue in color. That's why Earth is called blue planet, because 71% of the Earth is covered with the water. Only 29% we can see the green color. It is only 29% which is land. So the large land mass on the earth, which are the lands are there on the earth, are called continent. And the blue color, whatever the blue part of the earth is there are the large water bodies called ocean. There are also small water bodies are there. Small water bodies means where the water will be there, like sea, river, lake, where we will get the fresh water. Now we will see what are the called continent. Continents are the land on the earth. So this is our globe. In this we will see the 7 continents. You can able to see 7 continents. What are there? North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and one more is there down, Antarctica. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are there? There are 7 continents. And now we will see the water bodies, large water bodies which is there in our earth. Our earth is blue color looking. Now why it is looking? Because we have many oceans. How many oceans are there? 5 main oceans are there. One is called Indian Ocean, which is down of India. That's why it is called Indian Ocean. Pacific Ocean, which is there to North America also, and this side of west side of North America also, and east side of Asia also, Pacific Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Here is the Antarctic Ocean. Here is Arctic Ocean. And here Atlantic Ocean. Near the Atlantic Ocean. So there are the 5 huge oceans are there. Now we will learn more about the globe. Okay, globe is like a 3-dimensional shape. It is a model of the earth. 3-dimensional model of the earth. It shows the shape of the earth, how the earth will look, the shape it will be shown to us, globe. Okay. And with respect to the sun, a globe shows us the shape and location of the continent. You can find here. Where is Africa on the globe? Here you can see. Where is India on the globe? You are here. So we can find the location of the continent. Also we can find the oceans also. For example, here Indian Ocean is there. Okay. Here Indian Ocean is there. This side Pacific Oceans is there. So like this we can find out the Atlantic Ocean is there. Sorry, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. You can see a little bit. So like this, oceans and lands, continents we can find out on the globe. So it will be show the shape of the country, cities and everything on the globe. We can easily locate them. Now we will be see the number of imaginary lines drawn on the globe. There are many lines are drawn on the globe. What are the lines? These actual does not exist. These lines are not there. These are only the imaginary lines. People are imagine these lines are there. They are drawn on the globe and mapped to make it easy to locate a place. Why we are drawn this line? To find out a place on the map. To find out a place on the map. For example, you are living in Hyderabad. How can we will find out? By the, for example, here India is there. India is where having between the equator and Tropic of Cancer. Like this we can find out the place where it is. So there are two kinds of imaginary lines are there. One is called latitude, another is called longitude. There are two imaginary lines are there. Now, equator. Equator is an imaginary line drawn midway between the poles. Midway between the poles. What are the poles? Here you can see. This is North Pole. This is South Pole. You can see here two poles. These are called North Pole and South Pole. Equator is the line which will be equally divide them. This is the line which is called equator, which will be equally divide between the North Hemisphere, the up part, where is the North Pole is there. This part is called North Hemisphere. This part is called South Hemisphere. North Hemisphere also have 90 degrees and South Hemisphere also 90 degrees. For example, here 20, 40, 60. Okay, like this. North Hemisphere also have 60 degree north, 20 degree north, like this. Same like 10 degrees south, 20 degrees south. So like this, North Hemisphere and South Hemisphere will be there in the latitude. And these are lines also called the parallel lines. These lines are also called the parallel lines. Now we will see the prime median. Prime median is the longitude, long lines. It is in the vertical. These lines are in 180 degrees. How many these lines are? 180 degrees. These lines are 180 degree. 180 degree western hemisphere. Middle line is called the prime median, which will be in the 0 degree. And this side are called western hemisphere. This side are called eastern hemisphere. These are called western hemisphere. These are called eastern hemisphere. And 0 degree is called prime median. These are the longitudes which will be divided. By these two, we will find out the place, locate the place on the globe. Now we will be see more detail about the latitude. I now only told you. Latitude are the parallel lines. These lines are called the parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. Okay. The middle line of the latitude is called equator, which will be in the 0 degree. Upward also 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 degree north will be there. Downward also same. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 degree south direction will be there. Like that only north direction will be there. So like this there are the degrees will be there. totally there are 90 plus 90, totally there are 180 latitudes are there, 180 lines are there which are drawn, latitudes, imaginary lines, because they are really not drawn on the globe, it are only the imaginary lines. Now we will be see more about it. So this latitude always runs from east to west, from here to here, east to west, east to west. It will always go in this direction. These lines will always run this directions, east to west. Middle line is called 0 degree, which is known as equator. Okay, in equator the latitude decrease the length as it move from the center. Here the length will be more. Here the length will be more. As it will be go upward direction, it will be reduced. As it will go downward direction, the length will be become small. Here the length will be more. Here the length will be decrease. So like this happen as it will be goes to the polar region, this length will be decrease. The length will be decreased as it is going to the polar region. Now we have northern hemisphere 90 degree, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere also 90 degree, which will be helping locate the place. Now 23 degree and half degree north is Tropic of Cancer having. 66 degree and half degree north Arctic Circle having. This is the cold region. This is also called a polar region. These are also called a polar region, where the snowfall will be there. Cool weather will be there. Tropic of Cancer to equator region, the weather will be very hot. In the equator region, the weather will be too much hot. Tropic of Capricorn and equator, here to here the weather will be hot. But when you come to the Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, here also the region will be very cold. Now we will see the longitudes. Longitudes are the medians. Okay, longitudes like latitudes are called parallel lines. Like that only longitudes are called the medians. These lines are called the medians. These lines are there now, which are called the medians, which run from north to south. They will be run like this, north to south. They will be run north to south direction. As here east to west run, like that it will be run from north to south. The longitude that passes through the Royal Observatory is Greenwich near London. This middle line will be crossing on the Greenwich. Greenwich is a place which is in the London, is known as the primary medium, which is there in 0 degree. Okay, which is here having in the map. Greenwich is here having in the map, which is there in the here having. The longitude like this passes where 0 degree will be there. Okay. Now there are 180 degree. Longitudes are not 90 degrees like latitudes. There are 180 degree. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 like this. 180 degree western side, 180 degree. 20, 30, 40, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 180 degree like eastern side. So like this, western side 180 degree, eastern side 180 degree will be there. Total there are 360. Total there are how many longitudes are there? How many longitude lines are there? 360 longitude lines are there, which are called the median. So there are totally medians are which will be called, it will be help in international date line, which will be east and west is not written with the 180 degree medium. They are called the 180 degree medium is called the international date line. Now we will be see longitude imaginary lines I will told you now only, it will be run from north to south direction. Okay, and there are far from the other at the equator, there are very far from the equator. From the equator there are very far. And between longitude decrease when we will move away from the equator. What happens? Longitude will be decrease, as I told you, as latitude will be decrease when they go to the pole region. Longitude also decrease when they will be go to the here. Here the distance will be, here the distance will be more. As it will be come to here, it will be decreased to us. So like this will be there, longitude also. All the longitudes are okay. So but in longitudes all are same. Latitudes what happen? They will be decrease when they will be go to equator to pole. They will be decrease, but latitudes will be same. They will not decrease. Sorry, they will not decrease. They will be always the same. Here also same. Here also will be the same only. But in equator, but in the latitudes, they will be decrease as they will be go to the pole region. As they will be go to the pole regions, they will be get, the lines will be get small. But here in the longitudes, they will be same. Here also same. Here also it will be same. The length of it will be same. No changes will be there. This both the lines, the latitude and longitude, both the lines like this, they will be, what is this? These are longitude. These are latitude. Both will be make the box which are called the small boxes will be called the grid, the global grid. If it is on the globe, it is called global grid. They runs from east to west. Okay, some will be run from the east to east, some will be run from the east to west, some will be run from the north to, some lines will be come from the north to south, some will be east to west, by which they will be make a small boxes, and these boxes are always in the right angle, 90-degree angle. They will be always 90-degree angle. A complete box they will be make, which will be help us to locate the place in the map. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my video. Thank you.